Good evening, dear students. I hope you are ready for GK class. Yes, and what did we learn in the previous session? Do you remember? Yes, we learned about natural and man-made things, right? And today in this session, we are going to learn how we are damaging the nature. Okay? How we are spoiling the nature. Are you damaging the nature? No, you're not damaging. Yes, we are damaging the nature. Let's see how we are damaging the nature, okay? So now get ready with your GK book.
Cutting down trees. A bird was happily eating the fruit. At that time, a seed fell down and it grew into a plant. And later into a big tree. The tree looks so beautiful, right? And a man was walking in the hot sun. He was feeling very tired and he wanted to take rest. He saw a big tree. He planned to take rest there. He kept his basket down and he slept under the tree. The tree gave him shade to take rest. The birds were also flying happily here and there. After few days, a man came to cut down the tree. He destroyed the tree. Now the birds had no home to stay. After 1 year, when the same man came to take rest, there were no tree to take rest. So what did you learn from this? We should not cut down the trees. Why we should not cut down the trees? Because it's home for all the birds, right? So we should not cut down the trees and we should plant more trees. If we plant more trees, we'll get more rain. And also we get food from trees. Throwing garbage and using plastics. Throwing the garbage on the road will destroy the beauty of the place. If you throw dust on the road instead of dustbin, people will think they can also do the same and they start to follow you. More and more people will be throwing their garbage out on the streets. So what will happen? Insects like mosquitoes and flies will be developing more. The insects will carry diseases and will get fever, vomiting and all kinds of diseases. So what we should do to keep the place clean? It is our duty to keep the place clean. We should always use dustbin to throw the dust. While traveling, do not throw wrappers or any kind of waste on the road. Keep it in your bag. You can throw it later. And avoid spitting on the road. It will dirty the place. Avoid using plastic bags. We are using more plastics every day. And we can see plastic carry bags are thrown out in large numbers. We use plastic carry bags to carry things because it's very convenient to carry. After we use, what we'll do? We'll throw it in dustbin, right? It is thrown out somewhere on earth. It will not decompose. It takes hundreds of years. It is harmful for animals and also for land. If we burn the plastic, it will emit poisonous gases. It is bad for our health. We should avoid using plastic covers. Instead of that, we can use cloth bags. And we should avoid drinking with plastic straw. We can use stainless steel straw. You can carry that wherever you go. And avoid using plastic water bottles. Use stainless steel water bottle and carry water bottle wherever you go. And use
Stainless steel storage box instead of plastic storage box. Avoid using plastics. Wasting water. Dear children, observe the video carefully. Is it okay to waste the water? Is it okay to wash the car like this? If the taps are not closed properly, what we should do? Immediately we should close the tap. We should not waste water. It is not good to waste the water. Water wastage give a bad effect on the environment. We will not get water in future. Animals, birds and trees will not get water. We will struggle to get water. So what we should do? We should avoid wasting water. A future without water will look like this. Is it okay? So what you should do? Save water. Save water, save earth. Dear students, now take your GK book, take page number 7. So here they have given activity 2, right? So now we are going to write this. Write today's date and here write the correct word in the box and find out how we damage or spoil the nature. So you know how the earth, how the nature is being damaged or spoiled, isn't it? So here they have given 4 pictures how the nature is damaged. And here they have given answers also. You have to pick the answer and write in the blank given. Okay? Shall we write? So now take your pencil. Students, look at the first picture. What is he doing? He is cutting the trees, right? So what you should write here? Cut trees. Yes. In the first dash, write cut. C-U-T. Cut. Now look at the second picture. Throw garbage. Yes. Throw garbage. In the second dash, write throw. T-H-R-O-W. Throw. Now look at the third one. Yes, waste water. So what you should write here? Waste. Third one, waste. W-A-S-T-E. Waste. And the last one, look at the last picture. Plastics. Burn plastics. What you should write here? Burn plastics. Here they have given use. You can write either burn or use. But the picture is like burning, no? So I am writing burn. Burn plastics. So these are the things which is damaging the nature. You should not do these things, okay? Students, now take next page. Take page number 8. Activity 3. Choose either happy face or sad face and find out the right action to make nature a friend. I told you in the last class, no, that we'll see how we can make nature a friend. So here with this activity you can find out whether you can make nature your friend or what. Okay. So here they have given pictures and below that they have given happy face and sad face. Look at the picture. If it is right action, you just tick the happy face. If it is wrong action, you tick the sad face. Okay. If it is right action, you should tick happy face. If it is wrong action, you should tick sad face. And here, children understand nature loves action that got happy faces and not sad faces. So, after you're doing this activity and find out which picture has got happy face and which picture has got sad face. Okay, the picture which got happy face is the action that nature loves. Okay, the picture which has got sad face is the action that nature does not love. Okay, in the next one, here they have given 5 questions. I will not tell you answer for this question. You only have to find out. Okay. Man can build mountains. They are asking whether man can build mountains or what. If it is yes, then you should mark true. If it is no, then you should tick false. Okay. You should only tick. No need to write. And the second one, cutting tree is the right decision. Cutting tree is the right decision. And the third one, plastics harm nature. Plastics harm nature. Harm means destroy. Okay. Plastics harm nature. And the fourth one, we should save water. We should save water. And the fifth one, we should carry bags to shop. We should carry bags to shop. You should tick the correct answer. Okay. Students, there is a wristband in your book, right? Take the first wristband, okay? Nature, my best friend. You can wear this throughout the day and you can spread awareness, okay? Students, remember that this world is not only for us, it is for birds and animals. So please keep water for birds and also food for animals. And please plant a sapling. If you do that, you can take a photo and share it in assignment group. And that's all for today. Bye. Take care.